Once they eat my cooking, they will be in love with me for sure. Well, this is my own unique masala. Sorry, I can't give you the taste through the video. Here we are, making some nice paratha, really. In South India we call it chapati, but actually it's a paratha. So, though there was food in the ashram, I decided to learn cooking. I had never really entered kitchen and learned anything before that. But because I thought it would be very meaningful and important, because Radhe, a few years ago rather, I got certified by my daughter that I'm the best cook in the world. So not bad, almost like a moon, full moon, huh? I'm saying if the chapati looks like the map, at least if you get in Australia, you're doing okay. South America, bad. But if you get Indonesia, ooh, no, you need to go back to school. See my paratha is puffing up like a puri, it just cooked inside with hot air. Radhe, எப்படி இருக்குது?